Welcome to Arkana, a safe haven for profound healing and transformation.
From the people that came to heal, to the facilitators, to the shamans, there's just this collective energy where everyone's just trying to achieve the same thing, which is just love and happiness.
We honor and respect indigenous healing traditions.
You just get to relax and heal. And that's part of the Arkana experience, is being completely taken care of while you're here.
Our holistic program focuses on balancing the mind, body, and spirit.
Words can't describe the transformation I've had in just 2 weeks. I've done so many different things in such a short length of time, and just being surrounded by people that actually genuinely care.
With 2 locations in Peru, Amazon, Sacred Valley. We serve our mission to heal the world, one heart at a time.